They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Well, when I first laid eyes on this 1994 Toyota Supra MK4, it looked like a tetanus shot waiting to happen. Rusted panels, and an interior that smelled like a dumpster fire. Why the Supra, you ask? Because every car enthusiast dreams of taming the legend. Step 1. Strip it down. Taking this car apart was like peeling an onion. Layers of grime and tears, lots of tears. I found a family of mice living in here. They had a better floor plan than I do. Then came the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2JZ was a mess. Cleaning it felt like scrubbing ancient ruins. Painting the Supra was a turning point. I chose midnight blue because it screams class and also hides imperfections. Watching that paint dry was like waiting for a first date, exciting and nerve-wracking. Ladies and gentlemen, we have ignition. Hearing that engine roar was like hearing a symphony, or at least a garage band that finally learned how to play in tune. The first drive? Pure magic. The hum of the engine, the grip of the wheel. It felt like I was piloting a fighter jet on 4 wheels. And yes, I may have teared up. No shame, restoring this Supra was more than a project. It was a journey of patience, persistence, and an unhealthy obsession with eBay listings. So, what's the takeaway? Sometimes the rustiest things in life have the most potential.